discover the ultimate best pocket knife designed for durability and precision. Featuring a sharp, corrosion-resistant blade, ergonomic handle for a secure grip, and compact size for easy carry. Perfect for everyday tasks, outdoor adventures, and quick, reliable performance on the go. In this video, we recommend the 7 best pocket knives, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Gerber Paraframe EDC Folding Pocket Knife. The Gerber Paraframe EDC Folding Pocket Knife is a robust and dependable tool designed specifically for everyday carry needs. Featuring a 2.2-inch plain-edge stainless steel clip-point blade, it offers exceptional sharpness and durability for a wide range of cutting tasks. The nail nick on the blade allows for smooth, easy one-handed opening, while the innovative frame lock handle securely locks the blade in place during use, ensuring safety and stability. Its lightweight handle combined with an easy-access pocket clip makes this knife highly convenient for daily carry without adding unnecessary bulk or weight. The stainless steel blade is corrosion-resistant, built to endure harsh outdoor conditions, making it ideal for tactical knife enthusiasts, hunters, tradesmen, and everyday users alike. Perfectly suited for outdoor activities like camping, fishing, and hiking, the Paraframe Mini is a compact, versatile, and essential tool for survival gear collections. Its durable construction and thoughtful design provide reliable performance wherever you go. Number 6. Palmetto Woodshop Custom Pocket Knife. The Palmetto Woodshop Custom Pocket Knife blends personalization with practicality, making it a perfect, meaningful gift. The professional laser engraving adds a unique touch, ideal for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. Its black handle with wood accents offers a timeless, sophisticated look that appeals to collectors and everyday users alike. This knife features a razor-sharp, assisted opening stainless steel blade with a partially serrated edge, designed to handle a wide range of cutting tasks with ease and precision. Whether camping, hunting, or tackling daily chores, this blade delivers reliable performance. The secure clip allows convenient attachment to your belt or pocket, ensuring quick access whenever needed. Beyond the blade, this versatile rescue knife includes a rope cutter, can opener, and glass breaker, making it practical for emergencies and outdoor adventures. Compact and durable, this custom pocket knife combines elegance with multifunctional features, ready to support you in any situation. Number 5. Civivi C803H Folding Pocket Knife. The Civivi Praxis Folding Pocket Knife is a practical and reliable tool designed for everyday carry and outdoor use. Its strong, decisive action and thin, sharp point blade excel at precise piercing tasks, making it efficient for a wide range of cutting needs. The stone-washed finish adds durability and style, ensuring long-lasting performance. The ergonomic handle features lightweight cabochon wood scales that provide a secure grip and comfortable feel. This design enhances control and comfort, ideal for daily use and outdoor adventures. Smooth blade deployment is enabled by ball bearings in the pivot for effortless opening. The reversible deep carry pocket clip lets the knife sit discreetly in your pocket, offering convenience without bulk. Despite its size, this folder balances portability with robust performance, making it perfect for everyday tasks, work, or collection. Its blend of style, comfort, and functionality makes the Praxis a standout choice for knife enthusiasts and practical users alike. Number 4. Brom Small Pocket Knife. The Brom Small Pocket Knife is a sturdy and reliable everyday carry tool. Its high-quality stainless steel blade offers exceptional strength and durability, while the finely crafted ABS handle ensures a comfortable grip built to last. This combination makes it perfect for a variety of tasks. Lightweight and portable, this mini folding knife fits comfortably in your palm and easily attaches to your keychain, making it convenient to carry wherever you go. Its compact design is ideal for quick access when needed. This versatile knife excels in outdoor activities such as hunting, camping, hiking, and survival. It handles cutting rope, boxes, paper, twigs, and fruits with ease. Its multifunctionality makes it an essential tool for anyone on the move. As a gift, the Brom knife is perfect for men and women alike. It's an excellent choice for stocking stuffers, birthdays, Christmas, anniversaries, and other special occasions. Number 3. WorkPro EDC Folding Utility Knife. The WorkPro EDC Folding Utility Knife combines durability with convenience for everyday use. Its stainless steel construction ensures strength and resistance to corrosion, making it reliable for tough tasks. The lightweight design offers maximum comfort for all-day carrying, while the sturdy, springy belt clip allows easy attachment and quick access. This utility knife features a quick blade change mechanism that simplifies and speeds up blade replacement. It accepts all standard utility knife blades, making it versatile for cutting boxes, plastic, or scraping glue and gunk from surfaces. A practical tool for any daily task. Number 2. Nedfoss DA75 Pocket Folding Knife. The Nedfoss Pocket Folding Knife DA75 offers high-quality performance with its sharp, corrosion-resistant 8CR14 MOV blade. The black oxide-coated drop-point design combines strength with style for reliable cutting in any situation. Its ergonomic handle blends G10 and aluminum materials, providing a comfortable and secure grip. The handle also features a seatbelt cutter and glass breaker, making it a practical tool for emergencies. With a convenient pocket clip and thumb stud opening, this tactical knife is easy to carry and quick to deploy. Ideal for camping, hiking, and daily tasks, it's a versatile survival tool. This multifunctional knife makes a perfect gift for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, and anyone who values preparedness and style. Number 1. KeyUnity KK05 Mini Titanium Pocket Knife. The KeyUnity KK05 Mini Titanium Pocket Knife offers razor-sharp precision with its 7CR17 MOV steel blade, known for hardness and reliable cutting. This compact knife handles slicing, cutting, and delicate tasks with ease. Its foldable, lightweight design fits comfortably in pockets or backpacks. The titanium alloy handle ensures durability without extra weight, making it ideal for everyday carry. With a handy hanging hole, this versatile knife attaches to keychains or carabiners for quick access during outdoor activities. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, and daily tasks, it excels at opening packages, cutting rope, and food prep, combining craftsmanship and function in one sleek tool. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.